Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to delete a Yandex account on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first of course, just go ahead to this Yandex application at the top. Now here I'm gonna open my Yandex homepage, guys. I'm gonna go ahead like this. And now in this homepage, just go ahead to this three slice icon at the bottom. Tap on this settings options, guys, or simply just go ahead to your account here. I'm gonna tap on it again. This is my account. Just go ahead and tap on it. After, if you wanna delete your account, just go ahead at the bottom, scroll it down. We'll find out the option which is delete Yandex account. Just tap on it like this. After, tap on yes delete if you wanna delete it, guys. I'm gonna tap on it right now. And yeah, we have to wait for a second. It's processing. So if it is served, this page, which is your profile deletion, is completed, guys. Now we don't have any account again in Yandex browsers. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.